If you're designing your own car stereo system or need to replace some components, getting the best 8-inch car speakers for your money is paramount. They also typically offer enough bass to get by without a subwoofer, especially if you're looking to install big UNS like 8-inchers. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for best 8-inch car speakers. With so many different car speakers on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best 8-inch car speakers, you've come to the right place. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Scar Pro Audio Car Speakers. Let's start things off with a cheap 8-inch car speaker. The FSX8-4 8-inch mid-range loudspeaker by Scar Audio can be had for under $30 each. So this is considered a really inexpensive speaker. Still, you get decent power and volume out of this speaker. The FSX8-4 speaker is rated at 175 watts RMS and 350 watts max power. This is only slightly on the lower end of our list, and for the price, it's impressive. However, we found that the speaker cuts out at a lower wattage than stated, leading us to believe the actual output is something closer to 100 watts. The 4 ohm impedance does mean that you'll likely need a speaker selector switch with impedance protection if you're looking to set up 4 of these puppies. Product number 2. Premium quality car speakers. Next up, we have a loudspeaker that's sold in pairs. The AudioPipe APMB 8-inch mid-range loudspeaker handles a fair bit of the low end as well as the mids with ease. First, it could give you a pretty robust and full listening experience without having to incorporate a subwoofer. Or second, you could set your crossover to 65 Hz, and it could take more pressure off of your subwoofer, pushing that speaker's power. With 95 dB of sensitivity, we're again looking at great performance. A 35-ounce magnet and a big 2-inch voice coil with a multi-layered KSV voice coil former. The basket, the structural skeleton of this speaker, is made from die-cast aluminum. It's well ventilated and lightweight. When this speaker gets going, things get loud. Product number 3. CT Meso 8 Pro Loudspeaker. CT Sounds is next up with their Meso 8-inch Pro Audio mid-range loudspeaker. The price increase is in large part because of 2 main factors, the basket design and the power rating. In a well-designed component stereo system, these mid-range speakers will do their job covering the mid-range and only that. They simply have to be matched with the appropriate tweeters and subwoofer for great sound. The speaker uses a 34-ounce Y35 magnet and a 1.5-inch copper-coated aluminum wire voice coil to produce its sound. The bullet-shaped aluminum dust cover, like on the DS18, helps to clarify the sound of the higher mid-range. This gives you smooth, clear vocals and well-defined mids. Bass is once again not very strong here, though. However, the components here make this one of the best high-usage 8-inch car speakers you can find. Product number 4. PRV Audio 8-inch Speaker. The speakers give a good flat response from the low end to about 2000 Hz. The high mids are a bit reduced to reduce overpowering. But it's all clear and smooth sounding. Great sound overall, and the increase in power is really noticeable. With a moderate 3.75-inch mounting depth, these are some of the easiest to install 8-inch mid-range car speakers out there. The CCAW wire in the 2-inch voice coil and polyamide former aren't the best choices for durability and heat dissipation here, but they'll still last. That makes these decent speakers to use without a sub. With a subwoofer, though, you'd aim to set your crossover at about 160 Hz to allow these mid-range speakers to perform at their maximum power handling. Product number 5. Rockford Fosgate Car Speakers. Rockford Fosgate is something like the Rolls-Royce of speakers. They offer quality builds and strong, durable speakers with excellent sound. The voice coil here is formed around a high-quality aluminum former, which allows for maximum heat dissipation. This helps to increase the sensitivity of this speaker and blocks waste heat from damaging the components. And the components here are high quality. It has a fiber-reinforced high-strength paper cone, a billet stock machined aluminum phase plug, a tear and fatigue-resistant polycotton spider, and a corrugated treated cloth surround for the cone. The sound here is also the clearest. You've got a frequency response of 80 to 5000 Hz, so there is enough bass to get you going if you don't have a subwoofer installed. They're also the shallowest for mounting, with a depth of just 2.91 inches.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.